Hey everyone, this is your 3-minute introduction to testing malic acid by enzymatic analysis. We're going to use a spectrophotometer. It sounds complicated. It's not. A spectrophotometer is built to do one thing, and that's measure light. Imagine if I have a beaker full of a red solution. If I'm in a room that's other than dark, some light is going to shine through this solution. The light that passes through the solution is going to be detected by my eye. I'm going to see it as red or blue or whatever. My eye is basically doing the same thing that a spectrophotometer does. I'm detecting the light that passed through a solution. The nice thing about a spectrophotometer is it can actually quantify the light that passes through the solution. So a typical spectrophotometer just has a bulb inside it. You shine light through a solution. There's a detector on the other side that measures the amount of light that passed through the solution. The very cool thing about this, we can quantify the malic acid in the wine based on the amount of light that was absorbed by the solution. So we take the light that was shining, we subtract the light that passed through, and that gives us the amount of light that was absorbed by the solution. So how does this happen with malic acid? We have malic acid in a wine sample. We're going to turn that into a different molecule that absorbs light. How do we do that? We use an enzyme. That arrow symbolizes a chemical reaction. We said enzymes are small molecules that make chemical reactions go. So we're going to use an enzyme to turn malic acid into a different molecule that absorbs light. We do that by taking a wine sample, we throw in some reagents that react with malic acid, and we throw in an enzyme to make that reaction happen. We take that concoction and we put it in a cuvette that looks like this. We put it inside a spectrophotometer. That shines light on the cuvette, and the detector in the spectrophotometer measures the amount of light that passed through that solution. That way, we know exactly how much malic acid we have in the wine, because we turned the malic into something that absorbed light. The spectrophotometer measured the amount of light that was absorbed, and we can use that to determine the amount of malic acid. So to summarize, we're going to do this reaction. We're going to turn malic acid into a different molecule that absorbs light. We're going to do that by using an enzyme. We're going to take that whole concoction and put it in a cuvette, shine light on it, detect how much light goes through, and based on the amount of light that goes through, we can figure out the amount of malic acid in our wine sample. It's that simple. We will do that in class this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class.